Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. And right now we're gonna do the 7th Street, PierrePont Street. Now the last one that I did was Love Lane and College Place. That would have been 7. This is the 8th one, guys. No, excuse me. Sorry, 5, 6. This is the 7th one, guys. 7th in the series of Columbia Heights streets. So PierrePont Street, street number 7. Let me show you first where I am, guys, and then we'll be heading off to the distant unknown, which is right here in Brooklyn by the promenade. Again, PierrePont Street, Columbia Heights, and we start the journey now. Now, guys, just so you see, we're supposed to go back there, right? But you see, we're gonna go straight right here in the street, straight ahead. But again, this is PierrePont. That's another street. So I'm gonna show you right now. So we begin the journey now, guys, and you're gonna see that the street changes. So this is Montauk Terrace, see? And this is PierrePont Street. So coming up at PierrePont Street, and this is Montauk Terrace. And we'll keep going on, guys. We'll keep going. Now check this out, guys. Check this out. Yeah. It almost looks like one of those medieval castles, kind of. Check out those up there, guys. See? Nice. Coming up at PierrePont Street, Willow Street, heading eastbound. As you can see, guys, right here is beautiful, man. All this is beautiful. Check it out. You got your plants here. See? Mosquito. Yeah, guys. I kind of like this neighborhood. Kind of quiet. Check out that. Check it out, man. See? Now that was back in the 1800s, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Check out the staircase. Again, almost like a palace. Going up, up, up. Coming up at PierrePont Street, Hick Street, heading eastbound. Raptor. Check this out, guys. Another precinct-like. Another precinct-like. See? With those huge light bulbs, man. And this is W. Guys, check it out. Check out this house, got or building instead. Check it out. Look at this, look at this, look at this, guys. Again, the staircase wide. Nice. See, I like this one, man. This is cool, bro. This is modernized. This I like this one. And it's got the two Roman columns. This, I like stuff like this. This is really cool, man. And check this one out too. Wow. Check out the architecture in this one. This one has like angels, a dragon. Wow. Nice, nice. See, check it out, see? The pillars, wow. But it's old, it's old. Coming up at PierrePont Street, Henry Street, heading eastbound. Again, guys, I feel like a stranger in a strange land.
Yep. More than, no, not.
Again, guys, see? The amplified staircase. Those doors are nice, nice. Coming up at PierrePont Street, Monroe Place. See, it's only one street, guys. It's only one block. Check this out, see? Nice. Check it out, guys, check it out. Yeah. Check this out, guys. This, oh man. Check out the, nice. This is the Brooklyn Historical Society. And check out the faces, guys. Like a Viking and an Indian. That's what it looks like. See, an Indian head and a Viking. This here, what it says there, Brooklyn Historical Society. Nice. And now we go through the, oh, check it out, guys. Dual ramp, guys, or double ramp. Nice. Coming up at PierrePont Street, Clinton Street, or Bill Clinton Street in this case. And this is the Brooklyn Heights Historic District. Read all about it, guys. Read all about it. Check it out. If you want information, you can get it here. We'll keep moving eastbound. Again, work. Simon Construction in New York City. Another tunnel of despair. Chase your money. And that is the Metropolitan Transportation Authority, guys. And this is the Brooklyn Strategist. And here we come again to the Catman Plaza. Here at the Catman Plaza again. Brooklyn defenders of the universe. Again, guys, these streets are mostly 5 to 6 blocks, the longest. Check out those people up there, guys. Coming up at PierrePont Street, Catman Plaza West. Now we do 180 and head back westbound towards the promenade again. And this is a map of the promenade, Brooklyn Heights. Let me show you where I am right now. This is in Brooklyn. Brooklyn. Now we head westbound. Coming up at PierrePont Street, Bill Clinton Street, heading westbound. And that is the school of St. Anne's School. Again, almost like the precinct, guys. The precincts have something similar like that. And again, that is the Brooklyn Society, Historical Society. Ooh, check it out. Whoa, nice. And this is a metal church. First, I thought it said Ukrainian. It says Unitarian. Looks like it has been out for some time now. Yeah, it's also under construction. See? You got the scaffold. Coming up at PierrePont Street, Monroe Place. Again, and it's only one street, guys, one block. I could be wrong, could be two, I don't know. But I'll do that some other time, guys. Right now I gotta finish 8th and 9th Street. We still have sunlight, see? Say hello to my little friend, Mr. Sun. And right now my other team is winning, Spain. Coming up at PierrePont Street, Henry Street, or Henry VIII Street, heading westbound. Check it out, guys. Almost like my two eagles, the Mexican eagle and the bald eagle, side by side, man. Mex USA walks. They're both eagles, just separately. And speaking of eagles, that's my other flag right there. Again, there's a lot of good stuff around here, man. I'm very you know, wow. Now, guys, the street that's Remsen, that's a little longer. I don't know if I got a video to make it, but if anything, I can go back another day. And that is the Van Anden. Like the balcony up there. We keep moving, guys. We keep moving. Coming up at PierrePont Street, Hicks Street, heading westbound. Okay, guys, coming up at PierrePont Street, Willow Street, heading westbound. Check out the beautiful flowers, guys. The roses. I seen Guns N' Roses. Another metal band. Check it out, man. That's neat. That's beautiful. Check out the shell-like balcony up there. See? Cool, man. Cool stuff. Let's see. Okay. And beyond that is the Brooklyn Heights Promenade, which I already did. Okay, guys, we're coming to the end of the video. Thanks for joining me in this ride. And I will see you all again somewhere in time. Bye.